last time I seen darling Corey, he was sitting by the banks of the sea, with a 44 wrapped around his body and a banjo on his knee. In a pine log shack in the mountains, well, that's where my Corey dwells. He brews the finest corn liquor, oh, and what he don't drink he sells. When you come to town next Monday, won't you bring me a jug or 5? That sun comes up on Tuesday morning, well, I may not be alive. Well, the last time I seen darling Corey, he was bending through them weeds. 2 government men behind him, they're gonna grab him for his deeds. Get up, darling Corey, go get me my knife and my gun. Ain't never been a man for fighting, but I'll die before I run. Can't you hear them bluebirds a singing? Can't you hear that lonesome sound? They're preaching darling Corey's funeral in some lonesome graveyard ground. Dig a hole in the meadow, dig a hole in the cold ground. Dig a hole in the meadow, I'm gonna lay my darling Corey down.